Hi students, in this video we are going to learn fractions. So fraction is nothing but part of a whole. That is a basic definition for the fraction. So part of a whole. So one whole part is given. The whole part, for example, you are buying a pizza from the shop. You are dividing into two parts and one part you are taking and the another part you are giving to your friend or your brother. So how much part you have taken means 1 by 2 we have to write. That means one part you have taken out of two parts. There are totally two parts. In the out of two parts you are taking one part. That is the meaning. Now here the basic condition is, very important condition is that parts should be same. Parts have to be equal. Parts have to be equal. So here the same thing. Suppose you are having a same size pizza, but you didn't cut as a equal part. Suppose you are cut it in this way, and only this much part you have given to someone, and this much you are taking. Here what is the fraction for the shaded portion? We cannot say that it is 1 by 2. It's not possible at all, because you didn't give half of the portion to the another one. So when the parts are not equal, we cannot represent it by fraction. As of now, only when the parts are equal, then only we can go for a fraction. How many parts is shaded? Only one part is shaded. So 1 out of 2. Here we cannot say that because the parts are not equal. The parts should be equal. Then only we can go for a fraction. That is the basic condition for fraction. Now we'll go on to the exercise now. Look at this one, children. This is our exercise number 7.1. Our question is, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So how many portions are shaded? That fraction I am going to write it here. Before writing, we need to check whether how they are divided, that fractions are equal, that parts should be equal or not. We have to check. Yes, here all the triangles are in equal size. So how many triangles are there totally? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are totally 4 triangles are there. In that 4 triangles, how many of them are shaded? 2 triangles are shaded. My fraction is 2 parts is shaded out of 4 parts. Out of 4 triangles, 2 triangles are shaded. That is my answer. You can write the answer directly. For this problem, so here we have a rectangle boxes. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally we have 9 parts. The whole part always should come in the denominator. Out of 9 rectangles, how many of them are shaded? All 8 shaded, because only one is not shaded. All the remaining 8 were shaded. So you have to write 8. 8 by 9 is your correct answer. We'll go to the next problem now. Here they have given the balls. So how many balls are shaded? Totally how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 balls are there. Out of 8, 4 balls shaded, 4 is unshaded. So we have to say that out of 8 balls, 4 balls are shaded. That is the correct way. Now look at the last problem. So the circle is divided into 4 parts now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the parts are same also. We can go for a fraction. Out of the 4 parts, only 1 is shaded. So we have to say that 1 by 4. That is your correct answer. Like this we have to represent. We'll go to the next problem now. Here look at our 5th problem. They have given some square boxes. So how many square boxes are there? Totally we have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 boxes, how many of them are shaded? 1, 2, 3 boxes are shaded. So 3 by 7. For 6th problem, so they have given the flower shapes. How many flowers are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 flowers are given to you. Out of this, how many of them are shaded? Only 1, 2, 3 is shaded. So 3 by 12 is your correct answer. We'll come to the next problem now. Look at the diagram. So look at the 7th problem. They have given some pencils. All are given. Sharpener in this place. Sharpen part is given. So all the parts are shaded also. So totally we have how many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So out of 10, all the 10 are shaded. So 10 by 10 is your answer. So here look at this one, triangles. How many triangles are there? Totally we'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 triangles are there. Out of the 9, only 4 is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 9 is your correct answer. We'll go to the next problem now. Look at the 9th problem now. They have given the floral shape. How many petals are there? Let us count it now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are totally 8 petals are given. Out of the 8, how many of them are shaded? Only 1, 2, 3, 4 is shaded. So 4 by 8 is your answer. Coming to this diagram. So here we cannot say that how many parts are there. Some insect diagram is given that. Easily we can say that half of the diagram is shaded. So some diagram is given, the whole diagram is given. Out of the whole diagram, they have cut it into the 2 parts. So only one part is shaded, the another part is not shaded. So half of the diagram is shaded, we can say that. So 1 by 2 is my answer. By looking at the diagram, I can say that half of the diagram is shaded, half is not shaded, we can say. So that answer is 1 by 2. Thank you for watching, students. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.